Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. A 2004 Nissan Sentra with 2.5 liter stick shift. It's so beautiful. My friend come to me here with the problem of charging. He changed more than 4 alternators, right?
Correct.
More than 4 alternators. It doesn't want to work. The first one was being rebuilt. He put another one, no working. Second one, no working. Third one. So he brought it to me and said, Mohammed, why this doesn't work? I said, okay, let me check and give some diagnosis to see what. How does it work first? This car have alternators that have 4 wires. One is ground here, and one is power, full power, which is this one. And with the ignition on, the green with the black wire, it have ignition power, and this yellow and red wire have a ground sensing, a voltage sensing from the cluster. As soon as you turn the ignition through the cluster, 12 volt go inside the cluster through the bulb and come here. The alternator look only for this at the beginning. He need to sense the light bulb. If he didn't sense the light bulb, it will not charge. The battery will stay 12 volt. You see now I have what? 12 volt. 12 volt, you see here? Now let's go and check it out here. Because of the modification, sometimes if you need this car to start and run fine, you need to change like some kind of muffler and put some design, Japanese cluster, and stick shift is good. You see, like I like this one. But right now, I show you as this cluster was being replaced. We are not able to get the light bulb of the charging sensor unit back to the alternator to command the alternator to charge. So what I did is, I went inside behind the cluster, I found that wire, the yellow and red wire. I take it out and I brought it here. You know, I bypass it. I took the wire from behind and I give him, one is a wire that coming from the alternator and one is wire from the ignition. I'm gonna turn the key off, turn the key on now. The power ignition coming here, through here, go to the alternator and it will charge. If I take this light bulb out, and I will show you here, I have much have. I have 12 volt, right? You see the 12 volt clear? Now I'm gonna start it. I have only 12 volt, no matter what. I have only 12 volt. But guess what? I'm gonna try to put this slowly here. Look how it's gonna change. Sensing unit, boom, 14.1. And that's where give you all this headache for a week. You keep changing alternator, do all this one and do all this kind. Now you have a charging system good. You can drive, you can enjoy your drive. I know summer is gone, but still you have a couple of weeks. You can enjoy that. And listen, congratulations and have a fun, my friend. Please subscribe, like and share. This is Mohamed Harun Idris, Mobile Electronic Diagnostic, and the guy, the photographer, actually the owner of the car. He's a great photographer. Thank you. Yes.